What if your most profitable employee in 2026 isn't a person? It's a shoebox-sized machine quietly working on a shelf while you sleep. No storefront, no staff, no long leases. Just compact tools, smart workflows, and on-demand products people order online and receive days later. In this video, I'm revealing 15 tiny machines that can print money from a spare room, garage corner, or desk. Plus what they make, who buys, how to price, and how to run the whole operation without opening a store. If you're ready to turn square feet into cash flow, this is your blueprint. Start with the king of custom, a desktop UV printer. It prints full-color, durable graphics onto phone cases, acrylic keychains, golf balls, pens, even small metal plates. The demand is endless. Corporate swag, wedding favors, creator merch. Offer 48-hour personalized gifts and batch jobs each evening. A simple product ladder, keychains, cases, plaques. Keeps your workflow tight and your margins high. Right beside it, a laser engraver. Think precision etching on wood, leather, glass, and coated metal. Engrave cutting boards, coasters, flasks, awards, and heirloom keepsakes. The secret is premium blanks and clean templates. Sell sets for weddings, corporate events, and realtor gifts. Engraving looks luxury, ships flat, and scales with bulk personalization. A compact CNC router unlocks profitable wood and acrylic products. Custom signs, inlay plaques, layered wall art, charcuterie boards with juice grooves. Offer templated designs where customers only change a name or date. Fast, repeatable, high perceived value. Film satisfying carved time lapses as your marketing engine. A desktop 3D printer isn't just for trinkets anymore. Print functional accessories, camera mounts, drawer organizers, headphone stands, cable clips, drone part protectors, with strong materials and clean surface finishing. Sell STL plus physical options to monetize both downloads and prints. Partner with niche communities, photographers, gamers, makers, for steady orders. Heat press plus DTF or sublimation turns a desk into a soft goods studio. Print ultra-durable transfers for hats, tees, totes, and patches. Focus on micro niches and limited drops. Local teams, clubs, and inside jokes travel fast. Keep blanks in just a few colors and sizes, then batch press orders and evening runs to stay efficient. A button and pinback maker is a deceptively profitable impulse product. Create themed packs for events, bands, conventions, and political seasons. Sell wholesale to local shops and bundle with stickers for higher AOV. Pins are light, shippable, and perfect for subscription Pin of the Month clubs. Sticker and label printer cutter combo equals recurring B2B revenue. Produce die-cut brand stickers, jar labels, candle wraps, and shipping seals for indie businesses that can't hit factory MOQs. Offer design templates and fast turnarounds. Once a brand relies on your labels, they reorder every few weeks. A compact plotter for vinyl decals and heat transfer vinyl taps into decor and apparel. Cut monograms, wall quotes, pantry labels, and team numbers with crisp edges and zero ink cost. Sell sets and bundles. Kitchen label kits, wedding signage packs, team jersey numbers to maximize throughput. A handheld or benchtop foil stamping machine delivers premium touches. Foil stamp journals, invitations, menus, and gift boxes with metallic elegance. The margins are fantastic because the perception screams luxury. Offer wedding suites and boutique packaging runs with low minimums and fast proofs. Resin casting with pressure pot is the desk-friendly route to jewelry, keycaps, cabochons, pen blanks, and coaster art. Use silicone molds and embed botanicals, metallic foils, or custom pigments. Sell limited colorways and serialized drops. Document safety and curing discipline. The finish quality sells the story. A compact photo printer for instant fine art prints is a creator's best friend. Offer gallery-grade mini prints, postcard packs, and framed micro prints. Partner with photographers who need drop-shipped merch without printing at home. Use archival papers and include a certificate card for perceived value. Button making's cousin, a badge reel and acrylic charm press setup. Healthcare workers, teachers, and office staff love fun reel toppers and ID charms. Rotate seasonal designs and niche professions. Bundle with matching lanyards and silicone beads to lift the order value. A mini loom or portable tufting setup can produce micro rugs, wall hangings, and coasters. Keep designs bold and sizes small for fast turnaround. Ship flat with care cards. Collaborate with illustrators to turn their art into textured editions. Limited drops drive urgency and collector behavior. A hot foil quill or pen plotter for calligraphy-style metallic details makes event stationery magical without hand lettering. Outline and fill names, table cards, and envelope liners. Sell event-in-a-box kits with place cards, menus, and thank you notes personalized per guest list. Finally, a compact candy or chocolate mold, warmer, with custom molds lets you produce logo chocolates and celebration boxes. Keep to simple shapes shapes and clean packaging, perfect for corporate gifting, weddings, and holidays. Offer seasonal assortments and local pickup options to avoid melt risk and peak heat. How do you sell without a store? Go direct to need. Build a tight product menu, each item with 2 to 3 personalization options and clear delivery windows. Publish quick order forms, price tiers, and rush fees. Use short, satisfying process videos, printing, engraving, peeling, pouring, as your ad creative. For B2B, lead with reliability, exact specs, samples, and reorder scheduling. Keep operations lean with batching. Print and engrave in nightly windows. Pack every morning, and ship on fixed days. Maintain a today board with queued SKUs and deadlines. Stock only a few high-rotation blanks in neutral colors, and pre-cut jigs so alignment is fast and foolproof. Every saved minute is margin. Pricing should reflect outcomes, not inputs. Personalization and speed command premiums. Offer bundles, gift sets, event packs, corporate kits, an anchor price with compare at for agency or print shop rates. Provide wholesale tiers for repeat clients and small MOQs for new ones. Your tiny machine advantage is low setup time and fast proofing. Use it. Quality and safety seal the deal. Ventilate when lasering or sublimating. Use PPE with resins and sprays and calibrate often. Keep sample boards of finishes and color swatches to reduce back and forth. Photograph every product style in bright, natural light with close-ups of texture and edge quality. Your 30-day launch sprint. Week 1, pick 3 machines or fewer and define 5 SKUs total. Week 2, create photo samples and 3 20-second reels per SKU. Week 3, open orders on Etsy and a simple single-page site with rush options. Week 4, pitch 10 local businesses with sample packs and a first order discount, then lock a weekly production schedule. The myth is that you need a store to sell. In 2026, you need a system. Tiny machines, narrow menus, fast batching, and proof-rich marketing. That's how you print money from a corner of your home. Start with one machine, master one customer, and let word of mouth and repeat orders compound the rest.